Hey guys, it's Savannah. So today, I don't know what I'm going to be doing today. I got some mozzarella sticks here. If you don't know what those are, they're just cheese sticks. I call them mozzarella because that's what Sonic calls them. So yeah. Where's my drink? Oh, hold on, I want my gum. So yeah, guys. I know only one person, I think, watching my videos because there's only one subscriber. So yes, I'm kind of disappointed, but I'm happy to ever subscribe. So yeah. Make sure you keep watching my videos. Make sure you comment down below what kind of other videos y'all want me to be doing. So yeah, I know I did Try Not to Laugh challenge. So if y'all want any more challenges or things like that, just let me know, and I will do it for them, or do it for y'all. So yeah, guys, I guess this is the end because I don't really know what to do. But yeah, here I think y'all can hear that in the background, that barking. That's my little dog. Casper, be quiet. Lord, you ain't dying over here. Guys, it's not asp, it's asp. That's what I'm saying, asp. If y'all don't know what those are, and I wasn't trying to say the bad word, I was just trying to make sure y'all knew. But we have them on the side of our house, and if you touch them, they can sting, and you have to go to the hospital right away. Like, you see those 3 stingers on there? I don't know if y'all can see it. But yeah. Oh, here's my dog. Casper, be quiet. You can never be quiet. No, you can't. You little weird dog. Come here. No. Oh, Lord. Casper, you ain't dying. Lord. So yeah, guys, we are out of school on Friday because there's like a teacher conference. So yeah, we get a 3-day weekend. We get Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off. So Casper, stop. If you want to go inside, no. All right, then knock it off. Now there's this little thing that he can. There's this wire. You don't see? I think y'all can that he can slide on and off. So when he runs or whatever, he can go back and forth. But Casper, how the heck did this come off? What? This little ball right here, this little ball was attached to this. Now, how the heck did it get? Oh, I'm not even going to worry about it. It's a dog. Alright, Casper, you're not dying, Lord. Alright, guys, so this is the end of my vlog. So make sure you give this a like and you subscribe, hit that bell, and make sure you go try out my other video. It's Try Not to Laugh challenge. It's in the link down below. So just make sure y'all comment to see if y'all want me to do any more challenges, like Try Not to Laugh, like try Casp, quit. What's that called? Like try it or wear it challenge. I don't know. Eat it or wear it challenge. So yeah, guys, make sure y'all give this a like, comment down below what kind of challenges, and subscribe. Peace, guys. Peace and love.